Are you trying to add your friends to your Roblox private server and getting this error called "this user not eligible to be added to this private server"? If you're frequently getting this error, then here's how you actually can fix the problem. But before I start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, to not fix the problem, all you have to do is just to get back from here, get back to the Roblox homepage. And from the Roblox homepage, you just need to tap on this more button at the bottom right. And from the more, you just need to scroll down, tap on settings here, and then tap on privacy and content restriction. Inside this one, he'll get to see the option visibility and private server. You just need to tap on this and tap on visibility and make sure it's selected with the everyone for the online status. And then also show current experience, you just need to select everyone and then get back from here. And the very next thing that you have to do, tap on private server and you just need to make sure you have selected the everyone from here. And once you have done that, and ask your friend to do the same settings on their account as well. And right after that, you can go to the server again and try adding the people, and most likely a problem is going to be solved. Hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.